Hey guys, it's Zachary. I kind of want to do a quick unboxing. It's not one of the regular ones we usually do because this is not a product that HardwareZone regularly reviews or even covers. But when this came in the mail, I thought it was really cool. It's from Nespresso, and you see these bells in the front. It's made from recycled or not used Nespresso caps. So I thought this was really awesome, and I thought we should open it together. It was quite a big box. Let's see what's inside. Ah, it's so cool. Check this out. It's like a festive gift, and what we have are some biscuits. We've got Cloudberry Golden Puffs, Scandinavian Almond Bars, Sea Salt Fudgy Bites. Ooh, I love sea salt. And what's this? Ooh, what's this? Festive Nordic Coffee Candle. Bring warmth of aromatic coffee into your home with our soy-based candle infused with recycled Nespresso coffee grounds. Wow. So this is basically a soy latte candle. Or candle that smells like a soy latte, I guess. It's really cool. Oh, let's try the biscuits. Cloudberry Golden Puff. Sounds cool. I don't know what a cloudberry is. I don't know what it looks like. I don't know what it smells like. I don't know what it tastes like. It's kind of like sweet. Caramelized tangerine. A bit, I guess. Cool. No, it's like IKEA. Before IKEA came along, I didn't know what lingonberry was. It's kind of like that. This is almond. I love almond. Ooh. Almond bars. So good. Some people don't like almond. Think it smells like cockroaches. Come on! So good. And the best, in my opinion, sea salt chocolate fudgy bites. Oh, it really smells so good. Dark chocolate. The ultimate luxury and comfort to a cold winter evening in the Nordics. Oh man, so good. Let's move on to the coffee. Nordic again. Variations Nordic. Oh, these are the Christmas variations. I love these. Of all the Nespresso special editions, I find that the year-end Christmas variations are the best because they smell the best. All the other special editions are more blacker, it's more roasted, more acidic, but these are the ones that actually have flavor to them. And it looks like they are paired with the biscuits. So we have the cloudberry flavored espresso, the almond cake flavor, and oh man, I thought there was a sea salt fudgy flavor. It just says Nordic Black. What does the book say? Nespresso festive season inspired by Nordic indulgence. Yeah, there we have it. Cloudberry flavor, sweet jammy fruitness. Almond cake, rich flavors of vanilla and custard. Nordic Black, it just says smooth coffee with fruity and sweet notes. Now you'd think that the Nordic Black would be the most intense, but it's not. It's the weakest. It's intensity 5, whereas the other two are intensity 6. Now these were never really strong. Like I say, it just smells really good when you brew them. Oh, the smells just come out. The most interesting is cloudberry, but it kind of makes me want to have coffee now. I think I have an almond cake coffee. Hold on, I'll grab a machine. Let's make coffee. So, the Nordic countries, what do I want, are basically like places like Finland, Iceland, Norway, Denmark. Hope I'm getting these right. Ooh, so pretty. Now I want to try all of them, but it's a bit too late. Probably have the cloudberry one tomorrow. Let's do this. Is there anything else in here? Oh dear. Oh man. The smell. Almond cake. It's like smelling this, but coffee. So good. There are also recipes, but I mean, most of us who have Nespressos it's the whole point is convenience, right? And we want it instant. So yeah. Well, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like I said, it's not our usual kind of stuff that we cover on HardwareZone. Good. If you want to see more of these kind of things, tell us about it. Definitely. A lot of times we get very interesting stuff in the mail that is not normally published, because those are just like food stuff, you know. It's not usually review items or products. So if we keep a lookout of things that are interesting, and you can do more of these kind of stuff. Right? Have a great weekend. Coffee for me, video for you.